Detailed question answers section AMCQS1. Which compound in toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive in polish? Ans. B. Calcium carbonate 2. Which topical agent is commonly used for cauterization of wounds and warts? Ans. A. Silver nitrate 3. The basic heterocyclic ring structure found in diazepam is Ans. B. Benzodiazepine 4. Which of the following contains a 3-ring heterocyclic system? Ans. A. Carbamazepine 5. Which anesthetic is an ultra-short-acting barbiturate? Ans. B. Thiopental sodium 6. Propofol is used as Ans. C. Intravenous general anesthetic 7. Which anesthetic agent produces dissociative anesthesia? Ans. C. Ketamine 8. Diazepam belongs to which class of drugs? Ans. B. Benzodiazepines 9. Which of the following is a second-generation antipsychotic? Ans. B. Risperidone 10. Which of the following is a direct-acting sympathomimetic agent? Ans. B. Dopamine. Section BQ11. Write the chemical name of fluconazole and mention its storage conditions. Chemical name 2,2,4-difluorophenols-1, 3-bis-ACH, 2,4-triazole-1-YLPROPAN2-ol. Storage conditions. Store in a well-closed container. Protect from light. Store in a cool and dry place. Protect from moisture. Avoid excessive heat. Q12. Mention the chemical name and classification of ofloxacin. Chemical name, Joria Ghatav-9-fluoro-2, 3-dihydro-3-methyl-10, 4-methyl-10-4-METHYLPIPERAZ-1-YL-7-oxo-7-H-pyridope 1, 2, 3 the -1, 4-BENZOXAZINE6 carboxylic acid. Classification, fluoroquinolone antibiotic, broad-spectrum antibacterial drug, bactericidal in action. Q13. Classify sulfonamides and name any 2 sulfonamides used in burns or topical applications. Classification 1. Oral absorbable sulfadiazine, sulfamethoxazole, sulfasoxazole. 2. Oral non-absorbable sulfasalazine. 3. Topical sulfonamide silver sulfadiazine, mafenide acetate, sulfacetamide. Used in burns, silver sulfadiazine, mafenide acetate. Q14. Write a comparative account of aceclofenac and diclofenac in terms of efficacy and safety. Aceclofenac NSAID with good anti-inflammatory action. Effective analgesic, less gastric irritation, better patient compliance. Diclofenac potent NSAID, strong anti-inflammatory action, more gastric irritation, more GI side effects. Conclusion, aceclofenac offers comparable efficacy with better gastrointestinal safety. Q15. Give the chemical name, use and side effects of metformin. Chemical name 1. 1-dimethylbegonide hydrochloride. Uses, type 2 diabetes mellitus. Reduces blood glucose level. Improves insulin sensitivity. First-line antidiabetic drug. Side effects, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, metallic taste, abdominal discomfort, rare lactic acidosis. Q16. What is the function of potassium permanganate in topical preparations? Functions, antiseptic, disinfectant, oxidizing agent, deodorizing agent, used in infected wounds, used in ulcers, used in fungal skin infections. Section CQ17. Classify antifungal agents with suitable examples. Explain the structure, uses and adverse effects of ketoconazole. Definition, antifungal agents are drugs used to prevent and treat fungal infections. Classification, 1. Azoles, ketoconazole, fluconazole, itraconazole, clotrimazole. 2. Palains, amphotericin B, nystatin. 3. Allylamins, terbinafine, naphthafine. 4. Echinocandins, caspofungin, micafingan. Ketoconazole, imidazole derivative, contains imidazole, dioxylane and piperazine rings. Mechanism of action, inhibits ergosterol synthesis in fungal cell membrane. Uses, candidiasis, ringworm, dermatophytosis, fungal skin infections, systemic fungal infections. Adverse effects, nausea, vomiting, headache, skin rash, hepatotoxicity. Conclusion, broad-spectrum antifungal agent. Q18. Differentiate between accuracy and precision with examples. Explain how errors affect results in pharmaceutical analysis. Accuracy, closeness of measured value to true value. Example, true value 100 mg, measured value so mg. Precision, closeness among repeated measurements. Example, 99.8 मिलीग्राम, 99.9 मिलीग्राम, 99.8 मिलीग्राम. Differences: accuracy indicates correctness. Precision indicates reproducibility. Accuracy affected by systematic errors. Precision affected by random errors. Errors: 1. Systematic errors. 2. Random errors. 3. Gross errors. Affect: reduce reliability and validity of analysis. Q19. Classify sedatives and hypnotics with examples. Describe the structure and use of diazepam. Definition: sedatives reduce anxiety whereas hypnotics induce sleep. Classification: 1. Benzodiazepines: diazepam, lorazepam, alprazolam. 2. Barbiturates: phenobarbital, thiopental sodium. 3. Non-benzodiazepines: zolpidem, zopiclone. Diazepam, benzodiazepine derivative, contains benzene ring fused with diazepine ring. Mechanism: enhances action of GABA in CNS. Uses: anxiety, insomnia, muscle spasms, epilepsy, preoperative sedation. Adverse effects: drowsiness, fatigue, dizziness, dependence. QBs. Describe the classification of beta blockers and compare cardioselective and non-selective agents. Definition: beta blockers block beta adrenergic receptors and reduce effects of adrenaline. Classification: 1. Cardioselective atenolol, metoprolol, bisoprolol. 2. Non-selective propanolol, timolol, nadolol. 3. Alpha and beta blockers carvedilol, labetalol. Comparison: cardioselective, B1 selective, safer in asthma, less bronchoconstriction. Non-selective, B1 and B2 blockade, more bronchoconstriction. Uses: hypertension, angina, arrhythmias, heart failure, myocardial infarction. Conclusion: cardioselective agents preferred in respiratory disease patients.